The Highway Patrol Group, or HPG, is investigating a motorist involved in a viral road rage incident who was driving a vehicle with a suspected fake 8 protocol plate. The motorist allegedly threatened another driver and claimed connections with influential figures. Authorities have yet to confirm whether the plate, which is said to have been officially issued to a House representative, is genuine or counterfeit.
Based sa initial na investigasyon na ginagawa po ng inyong pong PNP Highway Patrol Group sa pangunguna pa rin po ng ating Director na HPG, Police Brigadier General SRP Mata, ongoing kasi yung ating investigasyon po dyan. And masyado pang hilaw para sabihin natin talagang peke. Plaka na ginamit po dito po sa isang video na nag-viral dito po sa isang social media. Again, ang ating pong opisina ay patuloy pong nakikipag-coordinate sa House of Representatives para alamin din yung kabuang detalye para matukoy yung ito pong plaka po na may gamit na number 8. Talagang tunay po hindi. Ongoing din yung backtracking ng ating PNP HPG para malaman pa baka sakaling mahagip yung conduction sticker nitong sasakyan. And again, we will give you the best update once na matapos na yung ating investigasyon para po dyan.
Meanwhile, House Secretary General Reginald Velasco stated that the plate in question was not officially issued. The HPG is also investigating a broader issue involving the production and sale of fake protocol plates.